Okay, this is another soft question. But little motivation. You build yourself up by solving multiple questions. That is how everybody learns math. Nobody has special brain. So you know how do you become good at any question by solving and solving. After this class, go home and do your own personal work, get textbook, start solving questions, start solving questions. And any area that you find that is giving you challenges, then you can go online or watch such video or send me message. Go to my WhatsApp number, comment there, send questions. We'll do it together. Thank you. So let's this question say express root 245 243 to 243 plus 12 over 3 as a single surd. Hence, find the value of this. So this let's express this particular one. These are question. Our real question is root 2 4 3 plus what 12 root 3. Now this is our real question. So let's break this one down. This is the most complex number here. Let's break it down because we cannot break this down. We can only just conjugate this. We'll conjugate this. Let's break this down. Let's find our two identical numbers, two numbers that one will give us perfect square root and the other one will give us perfect square root. So let's break 2 4 3. Let's break 2 4 3 down. 3 can go. 3 goes in 3 goes in 24. Will give us 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 goes in 3 will give us at least 81. 3 what can go in? 3 goes in 8 will give us 2. 3 goes in 21 is 7. 3 can still go. 3 goes in 27 is what? 9. 3 goes in 9 3. 3 goes in 3. Look at our two identical numbers. This will give us 9 9. 3, which is 81. 9 times 9 is 81 times 3. So this particular one will give us what? 81 times what? 3. 81 times 3 will give us what? This particular number. So this one now is a radical. Let's work on it by using this denominator to multiply the numerator and the denominator as well. So we say plus 12 all over root 3 times root 3 all over root 3. Let's work on it. So this one now, 81 times 9 times 9 is 81. So this one has perfect square. So it was 9 root 3 plus this particular one will give us 12 root 3 all over what? Root 9. This particular one, and let's continue. This one will give us root 3 plus 12 root 3. Square root of 9 is what? Is 3. At this point now we'll find the LCM. Yes, and put your invisible one here. The LCM will be what? 3. Yes, our LCM is 3. 1 goes in 3 is 3. 3 times 26, 29. 3 times 9 is 27. 1 goes in 3 is 3. 3 you use the 3 to times this 9 outside is what? 27 what? 3. This one 3 goes in with 3. Sorry, 3 goes in 3 will give us 1. 1 times 12 will give us 12 with 3. 1 times 12 will give us 12. So if we add both of them together, will give us what? 39 root 3 all over what? 3. 39 root 3 all over 3. So 3 goes in 39 root 3 will give us 3 goes in 3 1. 3 goes in 9 is 3. 13 root 3. That's it. Thank you. So this is not our final answer. So we've gotten everything inside this bracket. Which is what? 13 root 3. So let's multiply it with the external one inside the bracket. So what we do is we bring this one close, this one outside close. So what we have is we have our 13 root 3. Everything inside the bracket was root 2 4 root 2 4 3 plus 12 all over what? Root 3. Is equals to now everything here is this. So we have 13 root 3 times what? Everything inside this bracket times 13 root 3. 13 all over root 3, which is this. Everything inside this bracket is what we calculated from here to here, this. So now, this root 3 cancel root 3. 13 times 13 will give us 169. Is our final answer. Thank you.